what I have here is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is a 12 gig model with 256 gigabyte storage. Now this is a phone that I'd listed. Now in my line of work I get to dabble and try out things, so I had this listed and available for sale, and now it's now been sold, so my time is now finished with this handset. So the main reason for this thing was I was hoping that this could be the transition now, and I was hoping that this is going to be my new phone. I did like the look of the design. I like the look time. I like the whole way that they've actually gone down Apple's way. Everyone in this space does it. Everyone wants to be the new Apple. So Apple does natural titanium, and Samsung also do their own titanium. So it has got the titanium. I am an Apple user, so if you look, this is my iPhone 15, which I've got here, and I've done a review on this case. I am always going to Apple Watch. I am always going to be an Apple user, but I do have an Android. I do have this thing. This thing I've had for eons. This is pretty bad. This is a view case. This is a Samsung S20 Ultra, an S20 Ultra. Now it's completely bad. Cracks. I mean, look at this thing. Cracked. It works perfectly fine. Look, if it works, there's no need to fix it. I know if I take off my case here as well, and I'll show you the back of my phone. So as you can see, it is shattered beyond. It's been through the walls. It's literally been through everything with me. But it's my main Android. It's the phone that I use. I have this, my iPhone 15, and the one I'm using to film on, which is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I find it very difficult to move away and switch my phone. I'm not sure if other people like me as well, but I am one of these people. When I pivot to one phone, it's a very crucial thing, me switching, because prior to this, I think, what did I have prior to the Samsung, my Android phone, my main Android phone? I believe my main Android phone was the OnePlus 5T. I still have it. I think that was my main Android phone that I call my main Android. I do have other phones that I do sort of like mess around with. I do have like some backup phones, but my main one, I would say, is right now, it's still my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Although I do have a 15, yeah, it's still an iPhone 11 Pro Max and my Samsung S20 Ultra. So the whole purpose of this was hopefully if I can retire this, because this has been through the war. It needs to rest. It's been a good phone. And if you're people out there, you know why it is a good phone. It has everything you want it to have. It just does its job. It just works, okay? And also on top of that as well, expandable storage. Why don't they bring this expandable storage back? I don't understand. So I think Note 20 was the last phone. Note 20 Ultra was the last one with expandable storage, and the S29. S21, they removed expandable storage. I was like, no, I'm not going to upgrade to the S21, S22. I was like, I'll wait until it. But I know expandable storage is never going to come back. They won't do it. It just doesn't make sense for them. Anyway, what I have here was a test. If I mess around with this phone, hopefully this could be the one so I can change over and I can finally move over. Unfortunately, the situation is no. This is why this phone is now being sold, and I factory reset the phone. Everything's been wiped off the phone. It has a Vodafone SIM card in it just to activate the phone and everything. But yes, it's been wiped because it wasn't the phone. It wasn't the phone that I was hoping it was going to be. The AI stuff, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. The AI stuff is very nice with this phone. Taking pictures, editing. The thing is, how often are you going to use it? I mean, I'm very busy. A lot of times, and the search stuff as well. When you're searching, we have Google. We have Google search. I can just go open up. I'm going to go to my iPhone 15 here, just show you here. I'm going to go to Google here, Google, and I'm going to just click this one button here, take a picture. I'm just going to click this one button here. I'm going to take a picture of this, and then it will just give me literally that. So the thing is, at the end of the day, are you going to be using anything else? You might use Google Lens. Google Lens just does the job for you. So why do you need all that AI stuff? It's got so much stuff. Even having this for a month and playing around with it, to be honest, I haven't touched every feature. But if you're someone out there and you've got the money to splash around and get yourself the flagship, the top of the end phone, It's an amazing phone, amazing battery, amazing camera. I love the whole thing. This S Pen, I wasn't messing around with it too much, but I do like this little thing. It's pretty nice to do. If you just want to have one phone and your one pro phone, the phone that is the phone, this is an amazing phone. I have to admit, the performance, how slick it is, it's just so smooth, so much quicker than what I'm used to, what I've got there as well. Hell of a lot quicker than what it is there. But yes, these are some nice creature comforts. But even though I love the design, I love the way the phone feels. I mean, I'm not sure about if anyone out there, I do prefer having the sharp corners, having that screen to body aspect ratio, everything about it. It's a beautiful, beautiful phone. But unfortunately, it's not the phone for me. And I'm still going to be sticking with my S20 Ultra. I was thinking about getting the Sony Pro I at one stage, and then I just gave up on that. I was like, I can't be asked. Just that didn't seem it was reliable enough. And then I'm thinking maybe other Sony phones that might come out, I might be, because it's nice having these little things like a headphone jack. You know, having like a physical headphone jack, having the expandable storage, just things I just want to have. Because at the end of the day, if my phone is completely destroyed, I know I can pop out that micro SD card slot, and the memory card inside has got every single thing backed up. Worst case, because for me, information is important, and having that physical redundancy, not relying on a cloud, that is so crucial for me. And it's just the reason why this phone has been with me for so freaking long. Anyway, that was me using the S24 Ultra for a month. Unfortunately, it wasn't the phone I wanted it to have. The AI features, although there's a lot of AI features on this phone, it just doesn't sell it for me. This has been Ace. What do you guys think? Are you guys using this phone? Any of you guys out there, you have this phone? Tell me, you know, has it been the game changer? Have you managed to move over, fully transitioned away from what you're currently using to this phone? I'm not sure. But anyway, this has been Ace. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe. Ace out.